Welcome to another video. In this video, we'll explore the essential Trimix items for concrete finishing, showcasing each tool's role in the process.
First up, the Screeder Vibrator. This tool is used to level and consolidate freshly poured concrete. It removes air voids and ensures a smooth, even surface. Next, we have the Devatine pump. It's a crucial tool for eliminating excess water on the surface, promoting concrete strength and durability. Power required 5 horsepower 3-phase. Now, the power trowel steps in. It's the key to achieving a polished and flat concrete surface. It imparts a professional finish with ease. For expansion joints and decorative patterns, we have the groove cutting machine. It creates controlled cracks, preventing unwanted cracks. Lastly, the texture brush adds character to the concrete. It's used to create a range of textures, from a broom finish to more artistic designs.